The Supreme Court today closed the criminal proceedings against former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh in the coal block allocation case, formally clearing his name in one of the most politically significant cases that is linked to the UPA government era. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, Justice Joymalia Bagchi and Justice V. Mohana accepted the Central Bureau of Investigation's closure reports and set aside the 2015 order of the special CBI court that had summoned Singh as an accused in the case. The court said that there were no convincing reasons to reject the CBI's closure reports or to proceed with criminal charges against the former Prime Minister. The court observed that after examining the investigation reports and legal parameters, it was satisfied that there was no basis to take cognizance against Dr. Manmohan Singh. The Supreme Court allowed the appeal filed by Manmohan Singh and quashed the March 11, 2015 order passed by the Special Court, which had summoned him along with industrialist Kumar Mangalam Birla, former Coal Secretary P.C. Parak and 3 others in connection with the allocation of the Talabira 2 coal block in Odisha in 2005. Well, the decision comes more than a year after Manmohan Singh passed away in December 2024. Although the appeal had technically become unnecessary after his death, and the Supreme Court said that it was important to examine the legality of the trial court's decision because Manmohan Singh had been summoned despite 2 closure reports filed by the CBI. The controversy was related to the allocation of the Talabira 2 coal block to Hindalco Industries when Manmohan Singh was also holding the coal portfolio. The trial court had rejected the CBI's closure reports and concluded that there was a prima facie case against Singh and others alleging that the allocation decision had benefited a private company. However, Manmohan Singh had consistently denied any wrongdoing and argued that the decision was an administrative action taken under the existing policy framework. His legal team maintained that there was no criminal element involved in the allocation process. Senior advocates Kapil Sibal and Abhishek, representing Singh's legal representatives, told the Supreme Court that the adverse observations made against the former Prime Minister should be removed. They argued that the trial court had wrongly imposed criminal responsibility on Manmohan Singh despite the CBI finding no evidence against him. Sibal said that the trial court had effectively created a case of criminal liability without sufficient material and requested that the remarks against Singh be erased. Singhvi also argued that the observations made against the former Prime Minister deserved to be removed. The CBI had earlier investigated the matter and filed 2 closure reports, concluding that there was insufficient evidence to prosecute Singh. Despite this, the special CBI court in 2015 rejected all those reports and issued summons against him. And following the summons order, Singh approached the Supreme Court, which stayed the proceedings against him in April 2015. The matter remained pending for several years before the court finally delivered its decision, and the Supreme Court's latest order means that Manmohan Singh stands formally exonerated in the case, with the court accepting the CBI's conclusion that there was no material evidence to continue prosecution against him. The coal block allocation controversy had emerged as one of the biggest political issues during the previous UPA government, leading to widespread debate over the process of awarding coal blocks. And several cases were registered by investigative agencies, and multiple political leaders and officials faced scrutiny. And with today's ruling, the Supreme Court has brought an end to the legal proceedings against the former Prime Minister in the Talabira 2 coal block case, providing a legal relief to Dr. Manmohan Singh and closing one of the most high-profile cases connected with the coal allocation controversy. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.